chili and cornbread kind of night. Got some chili going. Dave's out with the cornbread. He's even got a nice fire going. How's it going? He's on oven duty. We'll check back later. That looks delicious. And they have some honey butter right here. Yep. Can't wait to get into that. See the bottom? Ooh.
Oh, I cut it.
Yeah. Oh man, that looks good. Yep. Ooh, it's hot. We gotta let things cool, and then we're having dinner. I'm crazy and I do chili mac. Dave's just straight up chili. What?
You put macaroni in there?
Yep. That's how to do it, folks. I'm telling you, we've had this debate before. Some of y'all are on the macaroni train, some of y'all are not.
Oh yeah.
That's just how I do
did a
it.
survey about a year ago.
Dave's a non-macaroni guy. Oh, this is a great night. This is an evergreen campground south of New Meadows, Idaho. Great spot. We're going to hit this trail back here in the morning maybe for a bike ride or a run or something.
Both.
I'm thinking maybe I'll ride the bike, he'll run, and Pistol can run. That sounds fun.
Think you can keep up?
Probably not.
Powered by chili.
Oh God, I want to be in front. I'm not going to be behind you.
What? That's rude.
Oh, we're going to enjoy dinner out here. It's cooling off fast. This fire's nice though. And I think we're just going to watch a movie.
What are we watching?
I put in National Lampoon's Vacation.
We're running out of options.
We have like the same 20 movies in there we keep watching. Yeah. We've watched every episode of the Golden Girls. So.
I don't watch a lot of TV, but...
Yeah, sometimes. Just right before bed or something.
Yeah.
That's the plan. Okay. Gonna hurry up and eat and go back inside. Got up early this morning. We're headed out. I'm gonna be on the bike. Dave's gonna run, and this little girl's gonna go for a run.
Leash free.
Yeah, leash free on this trail up here. It's pretty cool. All right, let's go. That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I couldn't really keep up. That's actually the nice pace I like to go on the bike. Dave's running pace. Pistol did pretty good too.
Oh, I bought coffee and a campfire for the morning.
Yeah, it's warming up fast. Coffee sounds good at least.
You make coffee, I'll start a fire.
Okay, deal. That is a fine looking fire you got there, babe.
Well, when the previous camp spot guest leaves a couple blocks of cedar, it's pretty easy. That was awful nice, whoever that was.
Yeah. And I'm grateful we can actually have fires here. There's been so many wildfires and fire restrictions, but it is lifted here, so it's been kind of nice.
As long as you're in a good, safe, contained...
Yeah, in the campground,
Even if it was allowed, if I didn't feel comfortable...
Yeah. Yep. Pistol, did you have a good run? Hmm?
She says I need some shade.
Yep. She's off to find some shade. That's a good start to a good day.
Well, we're going to be on some roads we've never been on before.
Yeah, it looks really squiggly. It's like on
Squiggly,
I think it's on a... Is it on a mountaintop and it follows the line, or...
I know we're going into the very southern part of Hell's Canyon at the Idaho-Oregon border, so I don't know what the terrain's like, honestly.
Yeah.
And on the map it looks squiggly.
Squiggly. I think it's at higher elevation. I think it follows a ridge line because it just goes back and forth like this. I don't know.
It might take us a long time to go 60 miles today.
Yeah. I'm fine with that. I have 0 complaints in my life, people. 0. None. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
That's a Snake River?
I believe so.
I think so too. I'm gonna look. It's really blue. Yeah,
This road has been squiggly.
that's Oregon over there.
Oh yeah, it is.
We're almost to the border. Yeah, that's the Snake River. Sorry, I was excited. That is the Snake River. I can see Oregon.
This road has been like 30 miles of
Up and down, round and round.
yeah, little fire pit camping spot down there.
Wow.
I think there's a lot of BLM land around here.
I think so, yeah. It's gonna be hot here today. I mean, it just looks odd out, right?
It's so desolate.
Freaking me out, man.
Are we supposed to be here?
It doesn't seem like it. So this is Brownlee Dam here. I guess we're gonna be driving over the dam.
Damn.
This is what? This looks treacherous. What is this about? I don't think I like that much.
That's creepy.
That's weird.
Okay, there we
Oh,
are.
there's a bridge. There's an actual bridge down there. So we just went over the dam.
Damn.
We're still in Idaho. We're about ready to cross into Oregon.
That was a bit confusing.
Wow. It felt like we took a wrong turn and we were on a road we should not have been on. I was waiting for like barricades.
Alarms.
Yeah. Welcome to Oregon. Yay. Just stopped along the Powder River. There's a Powder River recreation area. Looked like a good place to stretch your legs. I gotta check out this river. We found a good spot for the night. This is a National Forest campground near Prairie City, Oregon.
It's a Dixie campground.
Yeah.
Primitive. It's.
Oh, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
What's strange is we pulled in and we drove around the whole campground loop and it's just us, nobody here. But I think I just heard someone pull up a minute ago.
Yeah.
But
It's beautiful here. We are back in the mountains.
quiet, no cell service.
Yep. It's perfect.
Wonder what it looks like from up in the air.
I don't know. We should check it out. the last batch of the meatballs here. I think they're looking actually pretty good. Good job, babe. Then we're gonna transfer them into the tomato sauce I've got inside. Homemade meatballs, not homemade sauce. Sorry about that. Just what I had on hand.
Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, so guess what we're making with these meatballs? Meatball subs. Because that just sounded good. Dang, those are looking good. Got a meatball sub coming at ya. Mm-hmm.
Can't eat all that.
He says I can't eat all that. Come on. Don't you even know me? I think Pistol needs her meatball too. Good girl.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a good night. And those were good meatballs. We've never made meatballs before.
That was good. So, while I was running, did you get the night camera?
Oh, I did. I heard animals all night long. It sounded like little animals making big noises all under the van. So I thought that'd be a great test for that spray foam that the factory sprayed underneath there for us. Nothing on the game cam but Pistol taking her last potty break before.
Is that all was on there?
That's all that was on there. Yeah.
Let's put that on the video.
It was really noisy all night long though, with little critters running around thumping. They weren't in the van. I could tell they weren't in the van, but they're thumping underneath, and who knows what they chewed through. I don't know. Worth it though. The spot was amazing. I don't care.
I missed it all.
I think it's fortunate. Oh my gosh. I woke him up because he was breathing so loud and I wanted to hear the animals. This was him next to me.
You woke me up so you could hear the animals
and
better?
My ears were really
Oh
trying to hear what was going on outside, but all I heard over on this ear was that breathing, and so I ushered him awake just so he would quiet down a little bit.
You're fired.
Hey, at least I didn't put a pillow over his head.
I'm going.
I think this has happened before, actually. We've discussed the same exact thing. He's a loud sleeper.
I'm leaving.
And I can't hear the critters. Woo, it's windy, but this view is incredible. So we just stopped for lunch on the John Day River. Man, I've never seen it this low. It is really low right now. Dave's gonna get his fish on, but this particular spot we stopped, there's some hidden petroglyphs back behind this rock, I'm pretty sure. Is this as close as we can get? Yeah.
Yep.
It's definitely as close as we can get.
Oh, yeah, they're on that wall over there.
Oh, it's the red marks.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
So it's pictographs.
It's pictographs. Yep.
Yeah. What a cool spot, though.
Cool. Yeah. I think we're going to spend some time here and then try and find a little campground down the road somewhere.
Or I'll just camp right here.
Or we could camp right here. We'll see if Dave pulls up a bass or not. Isn't that what's in here? Smallmouth bass?
Trout and smallmouth is what I hear they catch most of.
Yeah. Let's do it. Next time we see you, we might be in Bend, Oregon. Or playing around there somewhere. We'll see. Catch you guys on the other side.
See ya.